Her son is a U.S. citizen. She's an immigrant from Nicaragua. After living legally in the U.S. for almost 20 years, Yajaira Castaño is now facing what she says is a real-life nightmare. The Trump administration is ending a 1999 Immigration Protection Program, known as TPS, for her and nearly 2,500 other Nicaraguans. In 14 months, she has to leave the United States.
I'm scared, very scared.
Why?
For my family. I'm married already and I have a son.
She escaped political and social persecution.
My lifestyle is not acceptable in Nicaragua.
What do you mean by your lifestyle?
Because I am lesbian and the society, the right way, there's women and men. In my case, it's women and women.
Some of her family members died in the Nicaraguan Revolution. Others, like her uncle, escaped after surviving imprisonment and torture. He's now a human rights commissioner for Nicaraguans living in Florida.
Estuve 10 años prisionero. Tengo a mi padre y a mi hermano asesinados por el Frente Sandinista.
I was in prison for 10 years. My father and brother were killed during the revolution. We're products of a repressive government. It would be impossible to go back to Nicaragua and try to start a new life. We'll be persecuted by those who support the Sandinista government.
De señalamiento por parte de los que siguen al sandinismo.
The U.S. Department of Homeland Security has called on Congress to come up with a permanent solution for the temporary program. A bill was recently introduced to give all TPS recipients a permanent work status, but it's uncertain if it could pass under a Republican-controlled Congress. The anxiety in this household is all-consuming. Castaño's partner is undocumented, and Yajaira may soon be as well. Are you planning to leave the United States in 14 months from now?
No, definitely not. Stay in the United States.
Illegal?
Illegal. I don't have choices. And the reason is I don't want to come back to my country for the two reasons that I mentioned to you. And the more important is my son. I want to bring to him the opportunities. And the reason because I come to the United States. That's why. Nicolás.
Nitza Soledad Perez, CGTN, Miami.